Welcome to Mum Core channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Today, I will share with you my recipe for minced beef stew. Here are the ingredients: ketchup, black pepper, paprika, onion, garlic, tomatoes, green peas, carrots and potatoes, ground beef, salt. Heat 2 tablespoons of canola oil in a pan. Sauté 8 cloves of sliced garlic. And 1 diced medium onion until translucent. Add a half cup of diced tomatoes and cook until tender. Add 1 pound of ground beef and cook until light brown for 3 to 5 minutes. Mix well. Season with 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, mix well. And 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Mix thoroughly. Add a half cup of diced carrots, 1 large diced potato, and a half cup of green peas. Pour in a half cup of beef broth. Simmer and cover for at least 3 to 4 minutes until the vegetables are cooked. Ready to serve. Enjoy. If you found this recipe easy to follow, hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Here are all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.